Good morning, children. Today we will start exercise 2.5, which is related to all algebraic identities. So one by one question I will do. From each bit one question I will do, and you will go through this, and I think you will better understand all the questions from all the numbers. Okay. So question number 1. Use suitable identities to find the following products. See, first one, x plus 4 whole into x plus 10. Question number 1, first bit, x plus 4 whole into x plus 10. So out of all the 33 algebraic identities, this is one of them, the application of x plus a whole into x plus b. We all have known x. Here we have to write. See, this is equal to, we have how to write x square plus 4 plus 10 whole into x plus 4 into 10. Why? Here you have to write as x plus a whole into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. Here 4 equal to a, 10 equal to b. So this is x square, x plus a whole into x plus b. So which is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus a into b. So x plus a whole into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. In place of multiplying, we have to apply algebraic identities. So this one implies the equal to x square plus 4 plus 10, 14x plus 4 into 10, 14. Okay, this is question number 1, first bit. Okay, another question. Fourth one I am telling, y square plus 3 by 2, y square plus 3 by 2 whole into y square minus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. See, so here this one plus this one whole into this one minus this one. You see, 3 plus 3 by 2, here also 3 by 2. Here y square, here y square. If you will take this one a, this one is b, this one a, this one b. So it will be a plus b whole into a minus b. We have known the formula a plus b whole into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write, so if this one is a, y square is a, its square, minus 3 by 2 is b, 3 by 2 is b square. So here you have to write as a plus b whole into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. The formula is applied here. This is compulsory, you have to write. Why? This formula is how it is applied here. The algebraic identity, how it is applied. Okay, so this is a square minus b square. A plus b whole into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This one is a, this one is b, this one a, this one is b. So a plus b whole into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Understood everybody? Yes? Yes, good, very good, nice. Okay. Equal to y square square, it is equal to y to the power 4 minus 3, 3 square equal to 9, 2 square equal to 4. Y to the power 4 minus 9 by 4. This is the answer. So like this way you have to do. I think question number 1 everybody you can do yourself. So 2 questions I have done. Okay, very good, nice. Now question number 2. Can I write this? Yes, good. Question number 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So 103 into 107. Question number 2. First one. 103 into 107. So if you will multiply 103 into 107, so it will take time. So we have to take more time to multiply, and also we have to multiply 1 by 7 3 is 21, 1 2 7 0 is 0, 2 left, 7 1 is 7, like this we have to do this. But it is told that should not multiply without multiplying. So by using algebraic identity we have to multiply this. So how can we multiply? See, this one 103 equal to 100 plus 3 and 107 equal to 100 plus 7. Yes, now you see this one is x, this one is a, this one is 100 x, this one is b. So x plus a whole into x plus b. So in your notebook you should not write x a, x b should not write. Just to understand I told. Okay, so simply you have to write 100 plus 3 whole into 100 plus 7. Okay, so now x plus a whole into x plus b, x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. So this is 100 square plus a plus b, 3 plus 7 whole into a plus b whole into x, x is 100 plus ab, 3 into 7. Again you have to write here the formula. You should write here as x plus a whole into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. This formula you have to write. Clear? Okay, implies that a equal to 100 square equal to 4 zeros. 100 square in 1 2 zeros are there, square in 1 4 zeros. 3 plus 7 equal to 10 into 100 plus 10 into 100 1000 plus 21, that is equal to 1 2 3 4 in 4 plus 1 is 1 2 3 4 plus 1 1, then 2 1 2 1 0 2 1 1 1 0 2 1. This is the answer without multiplying. Actually without multiplying 103 into 107. Here we are multiplying 3 7 is 21. Okay, we have to multiply that. Okay, understood? Okay, same way now another one I am doing. 95 into 96. Number 2, 95 into 96, that is equal to this one 100 minus 5 whole into 100 minus 4, like this you can do, or 90 plus 5 whole into 90 plus 4 also you can do. Your choice, which one will be easier for you, you can do. Okay, then do a minus b whole into, sorry, x minus a whole into x minus b, x minus a whole into x minus b. So x square minus a plus b whole into x plus ab, as the formula is applied. X minus a whole into x minus b, that is equal to x square minus a plus b whole into x plus ab. I told you, so you have to understand the formulas and you should remind, so that you can better understand to do these sums. Okay, you can properly you can do this. Clear? Everybody understood now? Okay, so this one equal to 100 square in 1 4 zeros minus 5 plus 4 9 into 100. This is 900 plus 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Now in 10,000, from 10,000 900 will be subtracted. So it will be 9,100. Yes or no? from 10,000, 900 will be subtracted. So it will be 9,100 plus 9, that is equal to 9,109. Clear? Everybody understood? Okay.
Sir,
What? Tell it.
sir, 5 for the 20, sir. You have written 9, sir.
Okay, 5 4 are 20. Very good. Nice. Good. So here we have to write 9,120. Very good. Nice. Good. Clear? So 9,120. 5 4 are. Yeah, this is a mistake. Sometimes it is happening. So 5 4 are 20. But I did the mistake. 5 4 are 9. I wrote 5 plus 4 I have done. So students, they may do like this mistake. Very good. Nice. Good. Thank you very much. Okay. Next, question number 2. Understood everybody? Now go through question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Question number 3. We have to factorize by using the appropriate identities. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So here you can better understand. This is 9x square means 3x whole square it is given. So a square, and this one also y square given. So a square plus b square, you understood this one, it is given. So you see here it is in the form of 6xy is in the form of 2ab or not. You write 2 into 3x into y. This is 3x, this is y. So this is 2ab, 3 to the 6xy. So 6xy it is given. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a plus b whole square, that is equal to a plus b whole into a plus b. But here you have to write as a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. This is algebraic identity you have applied here. So we have to write this one because the question is given by applying the algebraic identity. Factorize this. So we have factorized by using algebraic identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. Then again it is simplified. A plus b whole into a plus b. Clear? Okay. Next.
Sir.
Yes. Third one. Given x square minus y square by 100. This is equal to x square minus y square. Y square 100 is 10 square. So we can write y square by 10 square. In the next step you can do x square minus y by 10 whole square. So a square minus b square now. So a plus b whole into a minus b, and here we can write a square minus b square equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. This algebraic identity is applied here. Okay, understood everybody? Now we have to go to question number 4. Everybody understood? Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question number 4 now.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. Okay. I am doing the last one. I am doing. It will be better for you to understand. 6 bit. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Okay. You can apply a plus b plus c whole square or a minus b plus c whole square. You all have known a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b minus c whole square, a minus b plus c whole square, a minus b minus c whole square. So here, according to your suitability, you can apply a minus b plus c whole square. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is a 1 by 4a square plus 1 by 2b square plus 1 square a square plus b square plus c square. As here it is a minus b plus c whole square, so it will be minus 2a b minus 2ab minus 2b equal to 1 by 2b minus 2b c equal to 1 plus 2c a equal to 1 by 4a. So here you have to write as a minus b plus c whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, this is the formula applied. So a minus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. So the same formula is applied here. A minus b plus c whole square, which is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we have to simplify. So 1 by 4 a whole square, this is 1 by 16 a square plus 1 square equal to 1, 4 square equal to 16 a square. Same way 1 by 4 b square plus 1, here this 2 cancel, this is minus 1 by ab by 4 or 1 by 4 ab. Then this is 2 cancel, this is only minus b, and here 2 cancel, 2 the 4 cancel. Okay, so now 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2a. So this is 1 by 16 a square plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 ab minus b plus 1 by 2a. So everybody understood now? Yes? Okay, thank you. Very good. Now question number 5. The same way question number 4 all bits you can do by applying a plus b plus c whole square or a plus b minus c whole square or a minus b plus c whole square or a minus b minus c whole square. Now question number 5. Factorize. So second bit I am doing 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8 xz. Okay, obviously it is looking like a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. It is looking like that. So according to that we have to find what is a, what is b, what is c. Okay, so when you will know this one is a, this one is b, this one is c, so a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca, which formula is applied. Okay, so we can write and we can factorize. First we will find a, b, c. Which one is a, which one is b, which one is c. This is equal to 2x square. 2x square means 2 is root 2 square and x square is equal to x square. So 2x square equal to root 2 into x whole square. In place of 2x square you can write root 2x whole square. Okay, plus y square plus 8z square. 8z square, here 8 equal to, you factorize 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, so 2 out of 2 2's 1 2 will take, and this is the root 2 whole square. So 8 equal to 2 root 2 whole square. Keep in mind 8 equal to 2 root 2 whole square. So 2 square equal to 4, root 2 square equal to 2, 4 into 2 8. So square root of 8 equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Here we will take 8 equal to 2 root 2 whole square. Okay, now we can write in place of 8z square, z square equal to z square. So we can take, this is 2 root 2 z whole square. Now we got a square, b square and c square we got. Okay, now understood this part? Everybody understood this one what I wrote? Okay, very good, nice. Okay, so now a square plus b square plus c square, here minus 2. See, you write in the form of 2ab, it is happening or not, we will see. Minus 2, a equal to root 2x, b equal to y. So 2 root 2xy, 2 root 2xy equal to 2 root 2xy, it is happening. Okay, this one, then this one is happening around 2, b equal to y, c equal to 2 root 2, 2 root 2, z. How much happening? 2 2 is 4 root 2 yz, 4 root 2 yz, 4 root 2 yz, it is there. Just we have to know what is a, what is b, what is c, and we have to arrange. So it is arranged, it is happening. So minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca, it is happening around. C equal to how much? 2 root 2, 2 root 2 z. A equal to root 2x, root 2x. See, root 2 into root 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, z x or xz. So 8xz equal to 2ca. So it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. Remind the formula, recall the formula. So here we can write, first I am writing the formula here as a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca equal to a minus b minus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca, that is equal to a minus b minus c whole square. Obviously you will better understand if you think, you see, whenever we will take a into b, b is minus, a is plus. So minus into plus will be minus. So ab will be minus, ab is minus, b into c, bc minus into minus plus, so here plus bc, and c into a, c minus c into a minus ca. Okay, so whenever out of this 2 out of these three, any two multiplication, if positive, both are minus. If negative, one is minus. So here a minus b minus c whole square. So b is minus, a is plus. So minus will be. B and C both are minus. So minus into minus plus. So it is plus to C. And as here C minus C and plus A into plus A minus CA. Okay. So according to this formula, you have known this. I wrote this. So you have to write here a minus b minus c whole square. So a equal to root 2x minus b is y minus c is 2 root 2 z. It's whole square. That is equal. This formula you have to write. That is equal to root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z whole into root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z. So a minus b minus c whole into a minus b minus c. This is the factorization of this one, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. I think everybody understood? Yes. Okay, very good. Nice. Good. Good. Now, question number 6. Question number 6 now. Question number 6. Last one I am doing. You write in the following cubes in expanded form. X minus 2y, x minus 2 by y, 2 by 3y, 2 by 3y whole cube. This is fourth one. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Okay. So this is a minus b whole cube. So we have known a minus b whole cube equal to. So we can write the formula first. You will better understand. Here, as we will write a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a square b minus b cube. A minus b whole cube, this one. So a minus b whole cube. So a equal to x cube minus 3 a equal to x square 3 a square b equal to 2 by 3 y plus 3 minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now plus 3ab square equal to 2 by 3y whole square. Okay, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, 2 by 3y whole cube. This is the formula. Sorry, yes. Okay, this one is expanded to this one according to this formula. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Understood? Are you clear or not? Yes. Good. Anshuman Khatwa. Understood or not? Anshuman. Okay. Good. Implies equal to, this is x cube, 3 cancelled, so this one will be 2x square y minus 2x square y, this one will be plus 3 into x, 2 square equal to 4 by 3 square equal to 9, y square equal to y square minus 2 cube by 3 cube into y cube equal to x cube minus 2x square y, 3 cancelled, so it will be 4 by 3 xy plus 4 by 3 xy minus 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4 2 is 8. Y cube. This is the answer. Okay, this is the expanded form of a minus b whole cube. Okay, question number 6 over. Now question number 7. The same way the application you have to apply. Question number 7 now. Understood everybody? Ansuman, understood? Yes, very good, nice, good. Okay. Ninety-nine cube. So question number, this is question number 7. That is equal to 100 minus 1 whole cube. So we can apply a minus b whole cube. This for same formula we will apply. A minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube 100 cube minus 300 square 3a square b equal to 1 plus 3a b square minus b cube. So as a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the way you have to write. You have to write the formula. Any way you have to write the formula. Okay. This is 100 cube equal to, okay, its cube in 1 2 zeros are there, so its cube will be in 1 6 zeros minus 300 square equal to how much? In 1 4 0 10,000 into 3 30,000. Okay, clear? Now plus 3 into 100 1 square equal to 1 3 to 100 plus 300 minus 1. Okay, now 100,000 minus 30,000, obviously it is 70,000 plus 300 minus 1. Here 70,000 plus 300, 70,000 300 minus 1, that is equal to 70,299. This is the answer. Am I clear? Everybody understood? Okay, very good, nice. Now question number 8. Acha, question number 9 10, okay, same way you can do. Question number 11 I taught you. Oh no, question number 12 I taught you. Now question number 8. Question number 8, fifth one I am doing. Okay, which one is a little bit comparatively it is difficult, is a little bit difficult than the other numbers. So question number 8, fifth bit I am doing now. And this is very very important also. Question number 8. 27pq minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p we have to do. Okay, so it is told that we have to factorize by applying the formula. So it is looking like a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is looking like this. So if you can find a and b, will apply the formula. It is happening or not? Let's start. So 27pq equal to 27 is 3 cube, 3q equal to 27 and p cube is equal to p whole cube. So obviously we can take 3p whole cube. This is 3p whole cube. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. P cube minus this is 216, whose cube is 216. If you don't know, you can factorize 216 by into 108 again 254 again 227 3 out of 3 is 1 3 will take out of 3 2 is 1 2 will take 3 2 is 6, so it will be 1 by 6 whole cube. Okay, this is a cube minus b cube. A you got and b you got. Now we can write this one, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square equal to 3p 3a square b equal to 1 by 6. You see 3 divided 3 and 6 will be cancelled. So when 3 and 6 divided by 3 it will be 2. So denominator is 2. 3 square is 9 p square by 2. 9 p square by 2 it is there. So 3a square b happened plus here 3a square b plus 3a b square a equal to 3p b square 1 by 6 square. It is happening or not? See 3 into 3p into 1 by 36. 3 3 ja 9 4 ja, so that is equal to 1 by 4p. So this is 1 by 4p. 3a b square equal to 1 by b whole square. So 3a b square that is 1 by 6 whole square you can write. So check a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, which is equal to a minus b whole cube. That is equal to, here you have to write the formula. You have to write here as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square equal to a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube implies that a minus b whole into a minus b whole into a minus b. This is the factorization of 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. That is equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 whole into 3p minus 1 by 6 whole into 3p minus 1 by 6. I think everybody you better understood. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.